Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the FIF20 by Custom Knife Factory. We're gonna try to improve the already pretty spectacular action. There's nothing to improve in this bad boy over here, but still we're gonna try to disassemble and see how this guy looks on the inside. And you know, guys, if you want, you can subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. This guy fires like a rocket. You can also like the video, you know, if you like the video, and you can also check out Fablades.com. There's maybe some stuff you want to buy on that website, and also you can also check out Instagram at Fablades. So to take this guy apart, you're gonna need two screwdrivers with T8 Torx bits installed, because the pivot is spinning, so just be careful about that. So this is show side, and here you're gonna need a T6 right over here, because these guys are screwed in right into the titanium. You want to be extremely careful when reassembling. You don't want to strip anything, otherwise you're gonna be in trouble. Here you go. So these screws are out, and now keep it pinched, break the detent, and this guy should come off pretty nicely like that. It's absolutely clean because this guy is brand new. And here you go. We just like some alcohol swab just to clean out a little bit. I'm just gonna use this guy. The bearings, ceramic ball bearings, ceramic detent ball. These are regular. See, there's some grease in it. We're gonna do a little bit lighter weight nano oil for this guy. Just clean up the tang of the blade, the bearing tracks right over there. Grab some microfiber cloth to clean up the blade as well, which is done. Pivot also, it's done. The scales are stone washed, skeletonized. You got to see FIF20 CKF 2021. This is a Philippe Georget design. It's coming very nicely together. This set of let me clean a little bit more of FIF that CKF is putting out. I like them. There's also one with some carbon fiber inlays, which I don't have, but it should be the same. So you can see how this guy looks on the inside. 10 weight nano oil, 3 drops right over there, and then the blade is in. We're gonna take the stop pin from that side and just popping it together like so, and then we're gonna do another 2 drops because the first one was big for that side, and just a little one on the detent ball, and then pretty simple, just put everything back together like so. The here you go. The screws here are going through the backspacer, so you have to line it up, and then just very gentle and carefully just make sure the thread catches nicely. Don't over tighten ever, like ever. And on this side, just like so. Here you go. Very gently screw that in, just a little nudge at the end. That's it. And change the tip. Just grab the T8. Tiny bit of blue Loctite for this pivot right here. Here you go. Just close it, otherwise it's gonna dry out. And I'm hungry. I don't know if you heard that. That was my belly gurgling. And here we have the pivot screw. which of course it's spinning, so you're gonna need another one on that side. Here you go. So now there's some tension on the blade, which I don't like. When I tighten the pivots, I'm just gonna do like that. And finding, here you go. And this side as well. Nice. And very gently just tighten this pivot and see how we're doing with blade play. There is none. Checking blade centering, finally perfectly centered. And let's check. Whew, guys, I am telling you, this action is really no detent ball ramp, as you can see, but look at that smoothness. Boom. And there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.